Record. Alright. Welcome po sa ating yung Forex Zoom webinar tonight. Full po tayo. Grabe. 100 participants. Yung mga after this one, yung iba hindi na sila makapasok kasi limited lang yung slot natin for tonight. Okay, so yung mga humihingi po ng record for this webinar, which I understand baka busy kayo, ang gagawin nyo po is mag-reply kayo doon sa nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Bakit kayo nakapasok tonight here? Because someone gave you the link. It could be a Facebook page or a person who give you the link like learn to trade and forex trading webinar and it's free. Then there's the link. So mag-reply kayo doon. Sabihin mo na pwede bang pahingi I join the webinar or pwede pahingi ng record so that we will give you kasi we understand yung iba nasa trabaho pa at very busy. Okay? Nonetheless, I would like to welcome everyone. 100 po tayo. Full po yung room natin tonight. And then tomorrow din maging full it. Kahapon we are also full. So congratulations, nakapasok kayo. Pag-uusapan natin guys is forex trading and cheat codes. In short, paano ba itong forex trading? Paano ba kumita gamit ang cellphone? Where's my cellphone? Paano ba kumita gamit yung cellphone? And then habang nasa bahay ka lang or habang nagtatrabaho ka lang, pwede mo itong gawin. Alright, let's start. Who's ready? Can you type number 1 if you're ready? So we will start. Cellphone ko pala. I'm supposed to trade pero mamaya na lang. But meron akong existing trade right now. And ito, nag-TP na pala. Wow, congrats. Alright. My trade. Okay. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin guys. Alright. So, let's start. Pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. At least alam nyo, I am Lars Paraguyo, 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro po. Nag-graduate po ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. 10 years na rin ako sa digital business. So, ano ibig sabihin yan is nakafocus yung business ko sa online for 10 years na. Kasama rin dito yung forex trading. Meron din akong traditional business or tinatawag natin na brick and mortar business. I own a mountain resort in Claveria, Misamis Oriental. I am a licensed financial consultant. So I am trained to teach and talk with my client about financial literacy and about investing. So I am licensed with that. And I started forex trading since 2017. So medyo matagal na. Nag-found ako ng community, Bisaya Trading Community, and eventually maraming pumasok na mga kababayan natin. So naging dalawa na siya, Bisaya Trading Community and Kabayan Trading Community, which majority of you are sinama ko lahat nagiging Pinoy Traders Community. So yun po. So medyo marami-rami na rin po tayo at marami na rin tayong natulungan dahil sa forex trading. Yung mga previous video nakikita nyo, lahat yun sa community namin, maliban yung sa international community kasi may international community din tayo. So this is me. This is one thing that I enjoy so much with doing the business na hawak ko yung oras ko. So I have time for family. So we do car camping a lot. No, in fact, I'm the founder of the community Car Camping Mindanao. So as you can see here, I'm a father of 3 and a very family-oriented. So sila po yung wife ko. Bakit ko po ito ginawa? Pwede pa lang mag-business sa online ka lang na may time ka sa family mo. Kasi ang alam natin, di ba? Kailangan mo ma-sacrifice yung family mo, yung time kasi gusto mong kumita. But nowadays, with the power of online and the power of forex trading, pwede pa lang gawin siya. Alright? So, disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investment here. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Hindi po kami maghihingi ng pera sa inyo. What we do po is we will teach you how to trade. Tuturuan po namin kayo kung paano mag-trade using our tools and cheat codes and academy. And if you are busy, baka sasabihin mo, sir, I'm so busy, I don't have time to do that. No worry. But still you want to engage in forex, meron tayong tinatawag na AI trading. Ang gagawin sa AI trading is set up mo lang yung account mo sa yung password sa yung account. Anytime ma-withdraw mo, ililink natin sa AI trading natin. So kahit busy ka, marami kang ginagawa, mayroon kang trade gamit yung automated trading natin. So bakit ko po ito din disclaimer, we do not accept any investment. Kasi po dyan po yung mga taong pumapasok sa scam. Doon po tayo na i-scam. So just like me po, 2017, nag-start ako sa forex trading, nagbigay ako ng pera sa iba. Sila daw yung magti-trade para sa akin. Well, true enough, scam nga kasi hanggang ngayon hindi ko nakuha yung pera ko. But tiningnan ko yung forex, doon na open yung mind ko sa forex trading. Kasi daw yung ano daw ilalagay daw sa forex. So nag-research ako. Eventually nakita ko na forex trading is a very legit business. It's just that yung napasukan ko na tao or mali yung approach ko dahil binigay ko yung pera. May part din ako. Tinatanggap ko rin naman na hindi ko nagawa yung due diligence ko. So, hindi ako naging diligent sa pag-research. Kaya after nangyayari na yon, that was 200,000, medyo malaki na sa time na yun. So, after that, nag-search ako sa forex trade, nakita ko legit man siya, kaya inaral ko yung forex trading. Alright? So tonight we will talk about basic forex trading and cheat codes. Any among you here na zero idea pa talaga, walang idea pa sa forex trading, can you type number 1? And then any of you here na nakapag-start na, mayroon na idea, nakapag-start ng content demo, can you type number 2? I'd like to know sino yung audience ko so that I can maximize my presentation. Kasi if you're going to talk advanced, you can perfectly talk advanced tonight. Pero kung may mga bago pa, so I'll make it sure that I'm using terms and approaches na naintindihan. Marami ding nag-answer ng number 1. Thank you so much. So yung mga nag-answer ng number 2, congratulations, welcome. Forex trading, review lang tayo ng konti sa basic and then cheat codes. Ito yung pwede nyo magamit para matataas yung win rate nyo. Alright? So, guys, forex trading, is it risky or not? Can you type risky? 1 and 2. Can you type risky? What do you think, guys? Forex trading is risky. Okay, can you type risky? Yes, you're right. Forex trading is risky but it's rewarding. Bakit to may mga taong nagre-risk sa life nila? May mga bagay po na nire-risk natin sa buhay. Yeah? Diba? Yung pagbibisikleta, kung hindi ka marunong dyan, risky yan. Yung mga kababayan natin sa abroad, yung OFW, risky yan, yung iwan ng pamilya. May mga bagay na risky. Actually, may mga trabaho talaga na mga agaw buhay, yung mga lineman sa mga electric companies. Agaw buhay 'yon. Pero bakit nila nire-risk yung buhay nila? Because sa reward. So titingnan mo, may mga bagay na risky pero may mga bagay na reward. But eventually, I want to be straight. Can you go straight with you right now? That forex trading is not for everyone kasi may kasama siyang risk. It's not for everyone. That's why I congratulate you kasi inaral nyo, gusto nyo ma-explore, and that's a good sign. However, I understand that this is not for everyone. But, on the contrary, wala ko nakita na financially successful na hindi risk taker. So, most of the financial successful, yung mga milyonaryo, nagiging milyonaryo, kumikita na malaki, those are risk takers, inaralan nila. So, if you're a risk taker tonight, congratulations kasi nandito ka. You throw some risk, ang titingnan na natin dito is ano yung reward na makukuha mo. Alright? Yung reward. So why forex business? Kasi forex business is a digital business. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong gawin kahit saan ka, nasa bahay ka, nasa trabaho ka. In fact, I just talked with someone from the Middle East, mga 6 p.m. kanina. Sabi niya, sir, I can do this one while I'm working kasi hawak ko na naman computer ko dito sa trabaho. Well, that's good. Tutulungan ka namin kasi marami na tayong OFW na kumita rin. So, it's a flexible lifestyle. So, kahit ano ka, traveler ka, you're into sports, you're busy, pwede. Kasi cellphone lang ang katapat nito at internet. And then low startup capital. Kahit marami kang pera, sabi ko sa iyo, bro, low capital lang muna kasi inaaral mo pa naman. But kung makukuha mo, you can earn mataas yung high income potential niya. Magkano ba ang high potential? You can earn as much as 200,000 a day. Yes, you heard it right. Mayroon tayong kasama sa community. Just this week, kumita ng 200,000 in one day sa pagtitrade. Ang lahat po yan, back up po yan ng screenshots and evidences and proof po na ito nangyayari sa community natin. Kita niyo naman, yung mga videos ng ating community, napakasaya kasi ang forex talaga, dapat may community ka. Okay? So, and then no experience needed. Hindi mo kailangan ng experience. Kailangan mo lang dito is willing to learn. So, if you are willing to learn, then this is for you. Okay? Who's willing to learn? Can you type me if you're willing to learn and this is for you? My tip in forex trading is that you're willing to learn lang naman. But if you're not willing to learn, I cannot guarantee you. Oh, I might suggest we go for AI. But if you're not willing to learn, this may not be for you, or we have AI for you kung willing ka talaga but busy ka. So, yun yung pinaka-importante dito. Siguro sa lahat naman siguro ng bagay. Kung hindi natin tinatsagaan talaga, hindi tayo magsasucceed kahit in anything that we do, sa trabaho, sa business, and so on. Alright? So, let me continue. What is Forex? Forex po, it's very easy. It's the short for foreign exchange. Palitan po ng pera. Like, ibig sabihin, kung may kanina I saw someone from America. Uwi siya sa Pilipinas, yung USD niya, papalitan niya ng peso. So, mangyari yung exchange yan is USD to PHP. Copy? USD to PHP. Exchange. Yun yung foreign exchange. Pera ng foreigner in exchange. Okay? Babalik siya sa Amerika, definitely hindi niya kailangan ng peso. Marami pa siyang peso, i-convert niya into USD. So, magka-convert again ng PHP to USD. So, ganun yung currency exchange. Alright? So, this is the largest financial market in the whole world. As we speak, there are 6.7, correction, 7.5 na ngayon. 7.5 billions of dollars are being traded every day. So if you're asking sinong nagtitrade, grabe, mga big players guys, government, central banks, financial institutions. Because it's global and this is the most liquid. Ibig sabihin na anytime pwede mo ma-withdraw. So kung may napasukan kayo guys na hindi pwedeng ma-withdraw, red flag yon. Dapat anytime pwede nyo mag-withdraw. Sa mga brokers natin, lahat yun regulated na i-recommend natin. Instant yung withdrawal yon. Minsan 15 minutes lahat nandun na. So, instant. Kasi dati yung iba, hindi naman lahat. Mayroong 3 days pa yung withdrawal. Pero yung mga brokers natin is instant. Yung iba, yung mga hindi legit, hindi talaga mawi-withdraw. Hihingi pa ng mga additional fund para mawi-withdraw. So, hindi mawi-withdraw yun. If you're asking for brokers, ano yung brokers natin, mamaya discuss natin para tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Mayroon tayong Q&A mamaya, Ashley. If you can stick with us, I'll answer your questions eventually. Alright? So, nag-operate siya 24/5. So, Monday to Friday. If you want to trade Saturday and Sunday, meron tayong BTC or Bitcoin or crypto. So, you can use a smart device, cellphone, laptop. So, kung nag-start ka pa lang, kung nag-trade ka, kailangan mo na talaga cellphone. But kung nag-start pa lang, gusto mong aralin, you can also use your cellphone, pero mas maganda kung meron kang bigger screen. Sino nag-trade? Governments, central banks, financial institution. Guys, big players, trade nila yung pera. Alright? So, let me continue. Alam niya man natin na lahat ng mga bangko may tinatawag ng foreign exchange. Forex po yan. Kaya ang ginagawa natin is digital based lang, anyone. Kasi dati, para makapag-trade ka, you need to be a multi-millionaire para makapag-trade ka. But not anymore because of the digital platforms. Alright? So, in short, it's a buy and sell business. Kaya lang pera yung binibili natin dito, hindi physical product. Okay? So let's say for example, meron kang 50 pesos na binili, $1, ngayon naging 58 na siya kasi tumaas yung value ng dollar. So meron kang profit na 8 pesos. What if the price goes down, will still make money? Traditional or traditional na foreign exchange, hindi, lugi ka. But the digital foreign exchange, ang answer is yes. Kasi sa trade, meron tayong tinatawag na buy possession and buy sell possession. In other words, if you think that the market goes up, you do buy. If you think the market goes down, you do sell. Which do you prefer, guys? Are you going to prefer buy? Just can you type letter B so I know that you're there? If you're going to prefer sell, can you type letter S so that I know na nandyan pa kayo? Kasi sa tingin ko, hindi nawawala yung 100 participants sa screen ko. Definitely maraming gustong pumapasok tonight. Kaya lang hindi lang sila nakapasok sa gawa ng nag-full na Zoom na tayo. So thank you for your response. Ito yung mga major currencies na tinitrade sa forex market. Okay, major pairs. Example, Euro USD and so on. In our community, we also trade stocks like US30 and crypto BTC and gold XAU. So yun yung mga commonly trade sa community natin. US30, XAU USD or gold, BTC USD and Euro USD for the pair. So, I would like to introduce you some of the terms like TP and stop loss. This is very important kasi CTP, dito ka kikita ng pera. Stop loss, ito yung depensa mo na hindi ka masusudugan. Okay, so example for this one is, this is an actual graph from TradingView with our AI na nag-scan, which is mamaya isi-share ko ano yung AI na ginagamit natin to help you read the market. So yung price before dito ka pumasok, then sa tingin mo or forecast mo is tataas yung market, so nag-buy ka. Okay? So kung tataas yung market, you think na tataas yung market, ano gagawin mo? Buy. So since tataas siya, dito ka pumasok, meron kang target 1, target 2. Sa target na ito, dito ka mag-TP, or in short, ito yung TP mo, TP1. So from this example, na-hit niya yung target 1 at target 2. Every time na-hit niya to, magti-trigger, nag-take profit ka na. Ibig sabihin, na-close yung trade mo, kumita ka ng dollar, congratulations, and you can withdraw it instantly if you want. Okay, kung hindi mo siya, idadagdag sa capital or equity mo. Alright. Halimbawa, nagkamali, which is walang 100% sa forex trading, by the way. O may nagsasabi sa inyo na 100% yung forex trading nila, that's 100% scam. Okay? So, walang 100% sa forex trading. Nagkamali yung forecast mo, naglalagay ito dito yung stop loss to eliminate or to minimize your loss. So, part yan sa risk management natin. Alright. So, dapat bang aralin ang forex trading? Yes. If you do manual trading, gusto mo talagang malaking kitaan, kailangan mo siya talaga aralin. Yung gusto mo talagang kumita talaga ng 100 USD per day, 10,000 per day, 20,000 per day. Mayroon ba na marami? Actually, mamaya. Hindi ko kung ibibigay ko lahat, grabe. Abot tayo ng ilang hours doon sa mga screenshots lang. So, kasi I believe na matatalino yung mga Pilipino at madali ito makuha kapag katsinagaan lang talaga. Now, mayroon tayong tinatawag na technical analysis. This is one way, our way of reading the market if the market will goes up and will goes down. Okay? So this is the only way. This is the only way nakikita sa market. So if the price goes up, ang gagawin mo, mag-buy ka. If the price goes down, ang gagawin mo, mag-sell. Ito yung projection mo. The only way to have a very good win rate in the market is kailangan mo siyang i-analyze. Kasi kung hindi mo siya i-analyze, you can use AI, that's good, walang problema. Pero kung nag-manual trade ka, hindi mo i-analyze, ang tawag ko dyan is hula or hulalysis. That will only give you 5% of your win rate. Kaya may narinig kayo, ay forex, di ba, nasunog ako dyan, nawalan ako ng pera dyan. It could be, marami. In fact, more than 90% sa mga baguhan nasusunog kasi hindi inaral itong forex trading. Alright? So, to continue, we have types of market analysis, guys. Guys, mabilis lang to after the cheat code. So, fundamental, technical, and sentimental. Sentimental, pag maraming buyers, akyat. Pag maraming sellers naman, is bababa. Yun lang. Simple as that. Okay, technical and fundamental. Si fundamental is based on news. Any news or pangyayari na kalabas sa news, pwede siyang mag-epekto ng currency sa isang bansa. Let's say, for example, mayroong magandang pangyayari sa ekonomiya ng Amerika. So, aangat ang value ng USD. So, ang tawag dyan is mga forex calendar or tinatawag na economic calendar. Like this one, may mga pula, tawag dyan high impact news. May mga news na create ng mabilis na pag-akyat or mabilis na pababa ng market. Or ang tawag natin dyan is volatility. Alright? So, that's fundamental. Si technical analysis naman, tinitingnan natin yung chart. Marami siyang aspeto. In fact, nagtuturo kami sa community, sa VIP community namin ng technical analysis every Saturday. So, inaaral natin dito yung maraming factor, price action, our market structure, candles, indicators, and so on. Okay. So, ito is like trend. Titingnan na natin yung trend, support resistance. Alright. And then, ito is yung mga tinatawag natin dito na mga, marami ito eh. Mga zones, support resistance zones, and mga breakout. So, it's just medyo hindi lang natin i-discuss to because this will take time for you to understand. And also, patterns. Forex is made up of 70 to 80% patterns. So, mapipredict mo siya or mafu-forecast mo siya kung marunong kang magbasa ng Forex. So, kung hindi mo siya makuha kaagad, kaya masasabi mo na medyo complicated. Kung ako'y tatanungin mo, complicated ba? When I started, yes. It's very complicated. In fact, mas complicated pa siya sa love life. Kasi you will lose a lot of capital kung hindi mo siya aralin. Alright? So let me continue. But my question for you tonight is, do you want an easier solution? So if you want an easier solution, can you type yes? Ano ito yung sinasabi na easier solution? For you to learn or for you to be profitable in forex trading, ang learning curve mo is 6 months kung magaling ka talaga at grabe talaga yung dedication mo. Average 6 months to 1 year. Okay, 6 months to 1 year. May ito si Binibini. 6 months to 1 year. Now, within 6 months to 1 year na yan, kasama doon yung mga sunog-sunog. Yung mga nag-answer na number 2 kanina, guys. I'm sure 100% if nag-try sila, nag-trade, nasunugan sila. Okay, nasunugan sila. So, yun yung reason. So, ano ba yung easier solution, guys, na sinasabi ko? Ang easier solution na sinasabi ko is bababa yung learning curve mo kasi gagamit tayo ng cheat codes in forex trading. Alright? Thank you sa mga nag-answer ng yes, ng let's continue. So, ito yung cheat code ng forex trading. Saan ko ito? Ano nangyari? Bakit ko ito nagtagpuan? So, okay lang ba magkwento muna ako sa journey ko sa forex trading? 2017, nag-start ako ng forex trading. Kumita ako, inaral ko, natalo, kumita, natalo, kumita. 2021, guess what? Ito yung time na kumita na ako ng 200,000 in 1 month. But eventually, nag-stop ako sa forex trading kasi may isang night na natalo ako ng 400,000 pesos isang gabi. That was the time na walang community, walang cheat codes, ano talaga doon, kumbaga, I am trading alone. Ako lang at saka yung kapatid ko, dalawa kami. So, eventually, since nasaktan ako, natalo ako, so na-stop ako. Okay? Ganoon naman tayo eh, pag nasaktan, di ba? Umiiwas. So, iniwasan ko na. Kaya lang, my business was not doing good. Well, back 2 years ago. So, I tried to look again for other opportunities. Meron akong kaibigan na pina-follow ko sa Facebook na nagpo-forex siya for 1 year. Consistent naman. So, tinawagan ko siya kasi nakita ko consistent. Pero hindi pa ako naniniwala. Yung mga post niya consistent for 1 year. Sabi niya, bro, geto, may mga cheat codes na kami na ginagamit ngayon. May mga tools madali na. Okay. Alam ko kasi dati yung mga AI, bro, mahal yan eh. Way back during 2018, 2017. 200,000 or more para maka-access ka ng mga ganito. So, hindi pa ako naniwala until na-feature siya sa RDR Talks. Yung mga mahilig sa business, alam nila kung ano yung itong RDR Talks. Ano ba yung RDR Talks? Sino ba dito may alam yung RDR Talks? RDR Talks. Sino ba dito may alam ng RDR Talks? Si Ashley, maraming question. Like I said, sis, I will answer your question. Mayroon tayong Q&A after this one. Alright? So, please be patient kasi para maano natin na. Si RDR Talks is nakikwento siya or naki-interview siya ng mga businesses. So, nangyari sa kaibigan ko, na-feature siya sa RDR Talks. Hindi ko alam na may malaking utang pala siya na tumatahing-ting na 26 million. So, sino ba dito sa inyo walang utang? O sino ba dito sa inyo may utang? Okay lang po, yung may utang kasi pwede nyo i-admit kasi wala naman siguro dito yung inuutangan nyo. Because sa totoo lang maraming nakakaroon ng utang. Guys, 26 million. Think about it. Na-interview siya sa RDR Talks, ano nangyari sa kanya? Nabayaran niya yung 26 million guys for 2 years lang dahil sa forex trading business. Dahil sa forex trading business. Bakit ko sinasabing business? Kasi forex naman talaga it's a business. And you need to treat it like it is. Alright? Imagine guys, nabayaran. Anong ginawa niya? So din ako napao. Sabi ko, bro, this is something. Sige nga, tell me more. And then I get in. So from there, bumalik yung pagkakaibigan namin. Pumunta siya dito sa amin sa Cagayan de Oro. Together with our community, mga traders. Meron tayong community guys ha. Recently, we have a bootcamp. Inaral natin kung paano talaga yung consistent na kitaan na at least 100 USD in 1 day. So ito siya. Ito yung may utang na 26 million na na-feature sa RDR Talks. This is me and the community. Okay. Ngayon niya naging coaches na magagaling na trading. So yun. Nag-try ako last year ng August, sawa ng Diyos guys. Guess what nangyari sa akin? December ng last year, December. So may maganda yung Pasko namin kasi sawa ng Diyos, glory to God, nakapag-recover kami konti sa financial namin. At yan, pag-usapan natin yan bro. Mag-isabart tayo sa forex trading natin. At saka nabibiyaan tayo ng car. So, mayroong comment dito, nakapanood yan sa kanya, pero nakakadismaya, sabi niya, affiliate manual trading. Yes, that's true, bro. You need to open your mind because there's a lot of ways to earn forex trading. Kasi, yung iba kasi, they're very close-minded, kaya nako-close yung opportunity nila. And but that's true. Since you raised me naman, I'm going to answer your questions. There are more than five ways to earn in forex trading. Bakit ka ba pumapasok sa forex trading? Pwede kasi gusto mong kumita. Alright? And then, bakit ka naging nag-focus sa forex trading lang na mayroon ding mga additional way. I cannot blame you guys kasi yung iba bago pa lang. But with this comment, I disagree with you, my brother, kasi this is business. Okay? This is business and there are other ways. And I saw also the portfolio. Kasi kung magaling ka na talaga, pwede kang mag-affiliate like me. What I'm doing right now with you is affiliate. Okay? So kung magaling ka na talaga, marami ka ng portfolio, pwede ka na magturo, pwede kang mag-affiliate. Doon mas lalaki yung kikitain mo sa forex trading aside from trading. Alright? I hope you understand. So, ganun yung, kumbaga, si SM, bakit niya ba kailangan magbenta ng turon? Hindi niya kailangan. Diba? Kasi meron na siyang magagandang mga sa department store na biniminta. Bakit niya kailangan magbinta ng turon? Kasi this is a way also to make more money. Yeah. I perfectly understand because not all here are entrepreneur mindset. Hindi lahat mahilig sa negosyante. So, but yeah, you have your opinion. You're true. But kinokorek ko lang na ito is whether you trade forex and there's also other way to make money in forex trading. Okay. I also disagree kasi marami dito kumikita sa manual trade. Ako rin kumikita sa manual trade which is papakita namin dito yung result. Okay. Wrong mindset equals wrong result. Kaya if I will you brother, i-correct mo yung mindset mo para makaroon ka ng right result. All right, let's go. Let me continue. Kaya hindi ako ga-answer ng mga Q&A kasi natatagalan tayo. Alright, so AI tools guys, ito yung cheat code number 1, AI tools. AI tools, manual trading, meron tayong AI tools for manual trading and meron tayong AI tools for automated trading. The world right now is crazy about AI. So ito yung AI tools natin guys na manual trade. So magma-manual trade ka, mayroon tayong AI na ginagamit. Forex kikita ka? Yes. I would say yes. Kaya guys, is it okay if I will give you time? I will give you time later on to answer your questions. Let me just continue, okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nga kumita. Kasi, bakit kailangan natin ng AI? Hindi naman lahat marunong magbasa ng chart. Ako sa totoo lang, 2017, 2018, 2019, after 3 years, hindi ko pa perfecto basahin yung chart ng forex trading. Kasi kailangan mo talaga aralin ng technical analysis. Okay? To understand. At kailangan mo siyang pabalik-balik. So to help you with that, sabi ko cheat code nga, meron siyang AI to help you analyze. To help you analyze. Okay? Meron siyang AI to help you analyze. So with this one, sa TradingView and with this special platform, mag-a-analyze si AI for your manual trade ng tinatawag natin na patterns. So babasahin niya yung patterns and then magbibigay siya ng entry. Kailangan ka mag-entry, kailangan ka mag-TP. So imagine kung may AI sa inyo, mag-a-analyze kung paano ka kumita. So that would very helpful, madali na lang i-analyze yung chart kasi may AI ka. Copy. So ano yung basis natin dyan? You can search it to Google. 70 to 80% ng trading, gumagamit ng harmonic patterns, mataas yung win rate mo. Okay? So if you're using harmonic patterns, abot ng 70 to 80%. Like I said, walang 100% sa forex trading. Ano ba yung ang babasehan natin dito is win rate. Ibig sabihin, kung 70% yung win rate mo, if you have 7 trades, if you have 10 trades, 7 dyan panalo, panalo ka pa rin. Okay, panalo ka pa rin. So 70 to 85% win. Kaya lang, you can't understand or hindi mo makukuha talaga itong patterns or harmonic patterns because this is advanced or more advanced na sa forex trading. So sabi ni Google, these patterns are rare and difficult to identify, especially for non-professionals. Even some of the traders, hindi makuha kaagad itong tinatawag na harmonic patterns. So what we do is we have AI to help you analyze the market with using our patterns. Harmonic patterns and multiple patterns also nandito. Like 3 black rows, 3 white soldiers, so mga head and soldiers, triple top, pwede rin mababasa din ng ating tinatawag natin na harmonic pattern. But like I said, you need to learn for technical analysis to understand that. But this time, I'm not saying hindi mo siya kailangan aralin, but this time, mas madali kasi may AI ka na tutulong sa pag-analyze sa chart mo. Are you with me? Following? Can you type number 1 if you're still there following? Like I said, guys, I will answer your questions. Okay. Mga guys, mag-ulo ano yun. Meron tayong Q&A. Okay, meron tayong Q&A. Sige. So, ito result. Okay. Babala guys ha. Itong result to is 100% result sa community. So, to answer your question, hindi ka kumikita sa manual trade guys, bro, ito na. And we have a lot of result with this one. Now, if you don't believe, I don't care. It's not my anymore. It's not my problem anymore. Remember that in business, kailangan natin i-research para maunawaan natin. Okay, simple. Now, what I'm going to share with you is the result of our community. Lahat dito is the result of the community. Para po mapakita namin sa inyo. Now, ang suggestion ko sa mga result na ipapakita ko, ma-inspire, just be inspired. Kasi wala namang mawawala sa inyo. Pag na-inspire ka, ma-attract mo, you're manifesting to yourself na kayo na yung susunod. Pero kung kinokontra mo itong mga result, I will guarantee you 100% hindi mangyayari sa iyo. Kasi you are manifesting a different aura. Kumbaga, subconsciously, kinokontra mo. And 100% hindi mangyayari sa iyo because you are saying that you don't like this kind of income. Alright. One of the result of our AI trade is simple. So it answered the question kanina na kumikita ba sa manual trading? Yes. 100%. Sa community natin, kapag mag-join kayo sa GC guys, grabe. Yung iba hindi ko na sinishare. Ako personally, hindi na ako nag-share ng mga screenshots ko. Every day, every night, nagsisend sila. Kasi nakakatuwa, happy sila. Kasi from zero knowledge, natuto na sila. At yun, kumita na sila sa forex trading using our cheat codes. Okay? So imagine guys, 622, ito yung patterns na binigay. Plus TP1, TP2, dalawang TP, 681. That's 1,300 in one day. Or, magkano? 70,000 pesos in one day. Now, may kumita ba sa forex trading? Yes, meron. That's a very confident answer. Actually, mas malaki pa nga yan. Isang trade, meron pa, kumita 4,122, kasama namin ito. We just have a bootcamp with Coach Gio. Siya yung may-ari nito. Kumikita lang naman guys ng 200,000 in 1 month. Kumikita lang naman ng, yes po, bibigay ko sa GC. Okay, bibigay ko sa GC. Okay. My task for you tonight guys is, I'm not going to convince you. My task for you is to show you how to use cheat codes. Now, this is a direct suggestion. If you don't believe in this one, this may not for you. Okay? So, last year pa kasi, titingnan mo, after this one, mayroong mga latest. Okay? Mayroong mga latest Ashley. Sa mga guy, well, nag-ulo eh. 4,000 pesos. Okay. Now, no. Diba? Actually, may trend ito eh. Yes, tama, last year. October. Okay? October. Actually, kung titingnan mo ito, isang tao lang ito, October 16, kumita siya 70,000. After a week, kumita siya 200,000. November. Ashley, November, again, 11/21, 4,230K. Okay? So, eto siya. Ito yung video. Okay. Latest. To answer the question with Ashley. My recent AI latest. Mamaya. To answer your question. Latest is, this is yours truly. This is Coach Yu. Siya may-ari ng mga trade dito. Latest guys. Anong date? March 4. March 4. 2 days ago, March 4, 3,800 or 200,000 in one day. Okay. Ano yung role? Mamaya na yung mga question guys at sasagutin natin lahat yan. Okay. So meron kasi like I said, meron tayong tinatawag na AI for manual trade. Ina-explain ko that si AI for manual trade which will help you read the chart in terms of pattern. So that's the answer. Say fully automated AI, wala ka nang gagawin. You don't need to analyze. Okay, you don't need to analyze. Yes, tama si Julito. Buti pa si Julito nakakaintindi. Okay. Marami kasing interested talaga. So, kung pwede, later on guys, I will guarantee you, hindi ko to tatapusin yung Zoom kung hindi ko nasasagot lahat ng questions ninyo. Alright? May question tayo dyan. So, AI trading guys is fully automated na one. Wealth builder and wealth gainer. Dalawa tayo. This one is low risk. Meron siyang compounding interest. Stress-free kasi no emotion involved. Titingnan mo lang siya. And then starting capital is 300 USD. Meron tayong 1 year proven track record. Another AI trade, dalawa yung AI trade natin. This one is low risk. This one is moderate risk. Nag-generate siya ng 10 to 15% growth every month. Wala kang gagawin. Pero ikaw yung gagawa ng account mo. Okay, ikaw gagawa ng account mo. Specialization niya is XAU or gold. Starting capital is 300 and mayroon siyang 1 year proven track record. Saan yung proof na mayroong proven track record for 1 year? Okay. January, February, March to December, nakita mo lahat dyan ng trade niya monthly. Walang negative. Ibig sabihin, hindi, mayroon siyang initial talo pero totally at the end of the month, puro panalo. Okay. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na track record niya. Okay. Cheat code number 2 guys is meron tayong tinatawag na expert trader signal or yung manual na copy pasting. Sa community, meron tayong mga expert, nagbibigay sila ng kung when to buy, when to sell, kukopyahin mo lang dun sa MT5 mo at ilalagay mo. Another, this is one is Telegram and this one also is Solex. So, kukopyahin mo lang yung mga suggestion nila doon ilalagay mo lang at para hindi ka mag-analyze, especially for those new na hindi pa talaga marunong mag-analyze. All right. So ano yung win rate diyan? Meron tayong win rate diyan na 78% sa backtest natin based sa result ng mga expert trader signal. Okay, let me continue. Ito pala yung mga binibigay natin na signal sa Telegram. Okay. Another cheat code is Academy. Kailangan bang aralin yung forex trading? Yes. Even if you're doing AI. Kasi at the end of the day, pera mo yan, yung nilalagay mo. Let's just say 300,000 yan. Let's just say 100,000. 300 USD. 20,000, 80,000. 100 USD. 5,000, 6,000. Pero pera mo pa rin yan. So I suggest, aralin mo. So mayroon lang tayong tools para mabilis mong aralin yung forex trading. Yun yung Academy. So meron tayong basic, meron tayong advanced sa community, crypto, and stocks. These are web-based na pwede mo siyang aralin. Alright? Sa community naman natin, sa mga Filipino community, meron tayong tinatawag na chart mastery. Every Saturday po, inaaral natin ang forex trading in terms of technical analysis. So this Saturday, meron tayo. And by the way, good news, tomorrow, meron din tayong training kapag ka naka-join kayo sa community natin. Mamaya, free training yan tomorrow. Ibibigay ko kung paano siya mag-join. So ito yung sa chart mastery natin. Alright? So, meron tayong mga top educators, international, and then meron din tayong top mga educators, local. Okay. Another cheat code, this is number 4, and then we end, and then we go Q&A. So, cheat code number 1, AI trading. Cheat code number 2, VIP signals. Cheat code number 3 is, ano cheat code number 3? Cheat code number 3 is Academy, aralin. Cheat code number 4 is live trading. Now, this is the most exciting. In fact, after I do this one webinar, I go directly to live trading kasi every day sa exclusive community natin, meron tayong expert na magla-live trade every day. ang gagawin mo, sasabayan mo yung trade niya at kikita ka. Tuturuan ka namin ano yung timing. Sasabayan mo yung trade niya, kikita ka. Kasi magsasabi siya when to buy and then when to sell. This is the fastest way and the easiest way to earn money in forex trading. Kasi meron kang access sa international. Okay. Nanasad, nanasad ni si Ashley. Ikika na ko ni Beng. Anong hindi ka kakasabot? Okay. Ito yung example guys, yung video.
Buy na.
So, meron kang access. Pag sabi niya buy ka. Mayroon timing dito guys. Okay, so aralin din natin. So ito, some of the results of the live trading. This is scalping. Scalping. Ang trade mo lang dito, this will take you not more than 10 minutes. Yung actual position dito, sometimes 5 seconds to 20 seconds. Depende sa takbo ng market. Okay. Ito yung results. Latest result, guys. 303. Kasi sabi ni Ashley kanina, last year pa. Ito na, madam. Ito na yung mga link. Sus, kini yung mga otok na sa mga tao nga. Kani, medyo madodahon. Ito na, 100 USD. Ito, example lang ito. At marami pa nito. Alright? So, this one, AI Tools, Expert Trading Signal Academy, and Live Trading. Ito guys, ma-access mo, ibibigay sa company na Economy. So Economy, hindi siya broker. Ano siya? Education plus technology. So aralin mo ang trading because of Economy plus meron kang access sa mga cheat codes like AI tools. Kaya mabilis yung way na matututo ka. Okay. Mayroon ding binisaya ko lang, madam, sabi ko, kasasabi ko lang na hindi mamaya pa yung tanong tapos nagtanong ka kaagad. Ibig sabihin may mga tao talaga na hindi makakuha ng instruction. That's Tagalog. Sorry, that's straight, but that's a fact. Okay? So, paano ka ba mag-access dun sa mga cheat codes? Okay? Paano ka ma-access yung mga cheat codes? Meron tayong tinatawag na formal forex class. So, sa formal forex class, mahal yan. 70,000, 150,000, 400,000. Guys, you know what happened to me? I realized from 2017 to 2021, lahat ng talo ko ay sumabot na ng 7 figure. Ang reason why na natalo ko guys kasi naging confident ako. Hindi ako nag-humble down na kailangan ko talagang aralin. Yung formal talaga na aralin yung forex trading. Unless na inaral ako, nag-invest ako talaga sa forex trading in terms of my education, that's the time na kumikita ako at nakita niyo naman yung result ko. Last December, nakabili kami ng bagong kotse because of this one. But this one is too expensive. Not anymore. Hindi mo siya kailangang bayaran ng ganyan. So, meron tayong enrollment fee. Enrollment fee para maka-join sa community at ma-access itong tinatawag natin ng mga VIP signals. Ang payment option natin is 645 or just around 30,000. Ma-access mo yung tools, VIP signals, ECA, live trading, and 6 months subscription niya. Now, kung gusto mong mas lesser, if you feel that this is expensive at gusto mo mas lesser pa, what I want you to do is I want you to reply doon sa person na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Mayroong nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. I want you to reply that I joined the webinar. I joined the webinar. Pag mag-reply kayo ng I joined the webinar, i-add namin kayo sa GC so that mayroon kang a little bit somehow taste of what we do. Okay? So, kung sasabihin mo na mahal siya, technically, kung hindi mo makita yung value, mahal talaga siya for 30,000. But kung kukitain mo naman ito isang araw, hindi siya mahal. Kasi in our other companies, ang education nila is 1,499 USD. Ours is just 600. Other company is 1,499 or 1,799 or 99, mayroon siyang additional na 99 per month na subscription. Training lang ito, hindi kasama yung cheat codes at AI tools, hindi kasama iba pa. Alright? But we have payment options sa inyo kasi nag-reply kayo that I joined the webinar. Payment option number 2, meron tayong 149 USD na lang. It's below 10,000 and it's very cheap. Kasi when I started this one, tinawagan yung kaibigan ko sa Manila. Sabi ko, bro, makano yung cheat codes nyo? Sabi niya, bro, 149 lang. I really thought that it was 149,000. Because sa ganitong klaseng kitaan, kayang-kaya lang kitain kapag kaalam mo na. So sabi ko, sige bro. Eh bro, hindi 149,000, 149 USD lang. Sabi ko, okay, no problem. Mas maganda. Mas mura. Ano yung binabayaran mo dyan? AI tools. Remember? Meron tayong manual AI or AI for manual trading and AI for automated training. VIP signals, yung nabibigay ng mga VIP guys. Hindi ito tipo yung mga pitsugi na signal na maraming sunog. This is highly paid VIP signals. Academy and live trading. Now, for your first month, 149, and then if you want to continue using the tools, pwede kang mag-subscribe 99 the next month. Now, wag mo munang isipin yung 99 kasi yung goal natin, kikita ka. Pag malaman mo na kasi, 99, isang araw mo lang sa trade. Alright? So to continue, AI pattern scanner, VIP signals, access to live trading masterclass, basic to advanced training, AI or robot trading, copy trading, and trading community, lahat ng yan, ma-access mo sa halagang 149. 149. Huwag ka makalimutin, madam, baka yung trade mo mamaya, makalimutan mo paano mag-TP, baka masunog. So, 149 USD lang, or just around between 8,000 to 9,000, so you can start using our AI tools. Katawan ng kaniyan yan. No? Okay guys, bonus. Sino dito gustong bonus? Can you type number 1? Sino gusto ng bonus? Bonus. Type number 1 sa mga gustong mag-bonus. Okay, bonus. Guys, it's my bonus for you to join our Observatory GC community. I will give you a bonus sa kapag join ka ng community for free. Pero hindi mo pa ma-access yung hindi mo pa ma-access yung mga cheat codes. But you can join our community for free. Ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-reply ka that I joined the webinar. Huwag kang mag-chat dito na I joined the webinar. Ulitin ko, huwag mong i-chat that I joined the webinar. Saan may chat yan? Mag-reply ka sa person or Facebook page na nagbigay ng link I joined the webinar. And isasama kita sa GC. Kapag nasa GC ka na, ano ba yung makukuha mo dun? Pwede kang magtanong, pwede kang mag-observe, and guess what? For those na ka-join sa GC, tomorrow we will have an exclusive training. This is free. Sa mga nakapag-join sa GC tomorrow, 8 p.m. Meron tayong training, guys. Alam naman natin na hindi basta-basta itong training. So if you can join our GC, bibigyan ka namin, we will give you access there sa GC. Ano yung link ng Zoom, ano yung passcode, ano yung meeting ID, so that you can join our training tomorrow for free. Now, the title of our training tomorrow is how to avoid losing your money in trading, kasi maraming nalulus yung pera nila sa forex trading kasi hindi inaral yung forex trading. And that's a fact. Alright? So, like I said, mag-reply lang kayo that I joined the webinar. Okay, guys. Let's go for Q&A. Labas nyo lahat ng mga questions ninyo. Mahihirap na mga tanong at madaling mga tanong. Ilabas nyo lahat kasi Q&A na tayo. Ang sagot, may bayad ba yung AI? Ang sagot dyan is yung access mo na enrollment mo na 149, yun na yun, kasama na yun sa bayad mo sa AI. So, ibig sabihin, binayaran mo sa 149 is yung enrollment academic course plus yung access mo sa cheat codes. Lifetime ba yung access? Hindi siya lifetime. Meron siyang subscription per month, pero optional. Pwede kang magpatuloy, pwede ka rin hindi magpatuloy. So this is our community. Meron kaming regular event to just end up our regular event. Ang tawag dito is bootcamp. Okay? And then meron tayong sa mga malayo, iniikot naman natin ito. Meron nga tayong event in Dubai in the next month. Kilala niyo mo si Ben Menton, wala ko kailala. Bro, I'm sorry iba-iba kasi yung community ng forex trading. Sir, pakita ka karon og live trading sa forex. AI manual. Okay, sa GC bro. Join me sa GC. Okay, asa ba ning nagbagulbol ron eh? Oh, si Mary Grace. Alright, okay, sa GC bro, join ka para pakita mga results natin doon sa mga live trades natin, okay? Ito. Okay, ito yung community natin. Sino-sino yung mga nakapag-example, nakapag-result sa community? Simple lang naman. 66 years old. Sino ba dito 66 years old and above? 66 years old and above. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya techie. Hindi siya ganun kabilis in terms of computer. Ano yung sekreto niya? Willingness. Nag-enroll siya, ginamit niya yung cheat codes natin, kumita siya ng, continue siya kumita. This one is October 22, yung first week, second week niya after he joined. Okay, kasi nandito si Ashley. Sabi ni Ashley, sir, matagal na yan. Wait, hold your fire. May latest ako. Okay, so 1022, 100 USD lang naman isang araw. 200 USD lang naman. Not bad, di ba? Not bad. Guys, 100 USD is 5,000 in one day. 260 USD is like 15,000 in one day sa forex trading niya. Bakit niya nagawa? Because of cheat codes. Because of the community. Pag nahirapan ka, may papagtanungan ka. Okay? So ano yung latest? Ito yung latest. March 3. March 3. Nag-trade siya dalawa, BTC, kasi nag-trade tayo ng BTC. BTC account niya, same, 204 profit. US30 account niya, 121, 2-3 days ago. Alright? 2-3 days ago. Sino may-ari nito? Si Kuya Eman or si Tito Eman. Naging Tito na kasi friendship na kami. Alright? So ano yung point ko dito, guys? Kung nakayanan niya na 66 years old, ngayon naging 67 na siya actually, walang rahilan na hindi mo makaya kasi siya is hindi techie. Ang ano lang niya is talaga risk taker siya at saka inaral niya talaga. So siya yung pinaka-oldest na consistent. Ano po yung GC niyo, sir? Listen, Jenny, here's my instruction. You reply to someone who give you this link, I joined the webinar. Okay? And then magre-reply pa kami sa inyo, ilalagay namin kayo sa GC. So actually, we have two major GCs, Pinoy Traders Community and Kabayan Traders Community for FW. Alright? So I hope you get me. Guys, labas ko yung questions nyo. Saan yung mga questions kanina? Saan man, sa asa man yung mga questions kanina. Saan yung mga questions yung kanina? Okay? Wala na kayong questions? Okay, sige. Crypto po, sir. Yes, meron tayong BTC. BTC. Pero sa crypto natin, nagtitrade more on. Iba kasi yung business model talaga ng crypto. Pero mayroong trading natin na crypto na same lang sa Forex. Usually, we use BTC USD. Ano po yung broker? They're very good questions. Personally, I recommend VT Markets and Light Finance. Okay, VT Markets and Light Finance. Sa GC, magbibigay kami ng link sa inyo para po makapagkuha kayo ng bonus. 50 USD bonus or 100% bonus. Okay. Pwede mag-live trade. Ngayon, hindi. Kasi 1 hour lang yung ano natin. 1 hour lang. Kasi, hindi rin madali mag-trade, bro. Aaminin ko, hindi lahat panalo yung trade ko. So, that's my disclaimer. At least totoo ako. Pero mayroon tayong live trader talaga nagtitrade. Okay. But bro, if that is your requirement for you to join us, I don't care. Okay? So you can feel free to leave the opportunity on the table because I understand it's not for everyone. Okay. Paano kapag may existing account sa XM? You can use that one. You can use that one kasi especially if you're doing manual trade. Alright? So, meron dito dating trader na. Sabi ko, bro, kumusta yung ano mo, bro? Binigay namin sa inyo na signal. Sabi, it is confirmed that all the signals were given were 120% reliable. Medyo exaggerated yan konti kasi na-excite siya. Kasi sabi pa niya, first time in my entire forex trading career na consistent akong, in Tagalog, consistent aking earnings. Magaan na lang yung pag-spend time to analyze kasi may cheat codes. So, yun yung mabibigay sa inyo if you're already a trader. Okay. This woman, magsishare siya sa training natin bukas. Okay. Magsishare siya sa training natin bukas. Siya si Ma'am Marichu from Cebu. Ang story niya, last January, nag-join siya sa community. Inaral niya for 1 week to 2 weeks. Ngayon, this is his latest income. Bakit maraming screenshot na 0.0 si March 3? Kasi this was the time na may bootcamp kami. So we went together, trading together, napakasaya. Ang story niya is January nag-trade siya. First week of January, before January, in 20 days lahat-lahat. Nakapag-withdraw na siya ng 8 times and kumita na siya ng less than 100,000, around 90,000. Nakabayad siya ng tuition sa dalawang anak niya because of forex trading. Tomorrow, nandito siya. Yung mga nag-reply that I joined the webinar, join na, isasama namin kayo sa GC. And then, mayroon kaming link bukas, tomorrow 8 p.m. I-interview ko siya, anong ginagawa niya. Kasi, he's using like the AI pattern scanner for her manual trade. So, makikita nyo kung ano ginawa niya para pwede nyo siyang maging reference or benchmark sa trading niyo. Alright? So, ito din mga question guys. Ano yung mga questions nyo? Magkano yung starting capital amount sa trading? Okay. I suggest 100,000 USD. 5,000 plus, 100 USD for manual trade. Pero ito yung gagawin mo, after you enroll, huwag ka munang mag-live trade. Tuwing kailan yung live trade? Every night, bro. 10:30 p.m. every night. Every night yan. Okay? Doon sa mga nag-enroll, may access sila sa live trading. Every night, Monday to Friday. Magkano yung starting capital sa trading? 100 USD for manual trade, 300 minimum for AI trade. But I suggest after you enroll, pag-aral mo na kayo at mag-demo account mo muna kayo for few days. 1 week, let's say 1 week. Tapos kung okay na, tsaka ka pang mag-capital. Gaano kasigurado lahat kami kikita sa forex trading? Depende sa inyo. Depende kung gaano kayo matuto. Depende kung tama yung mindset mo, kaya dapat nating aralin. Lahat ng bagay is not guaranteed 100%. Even lalabas tayo sa bahay, hindi guaranteed 100%. Just like in any business. Lahat bang nag-open ng negosyo naging milyonaryo? Lahat bang nag-open ng... guys, this is an honest review because I didn't want you to be yung kagaya sa iba na, ito, guaranteed that 100%. Scam yun. Atin legit kasi tayo kasi mayroon tayong disclaimer, mayroon tayong mga tools na ginamit, kaya mataas yung win rate natin compared sa iba kasi yung iba lang more on course. Installment hindi kasi si economy kasi is US based. US based siya. Pero magkano lang naman yun? Kagaya nito, first time nakabawi lang ng trader na rin, puro lose. Ibig sabihin trader na siya, puro lose siya before. Pero dito sa group na ito, 149 sulit. Guys, titingnan nyo yung reward. 2,000 USD. Yung kinita niya sa isang araw. Okay, sa isang araw. May office ba? Wala. Kasi si forex trading is digital based. If that's your requirement para makapag-trade, this is not for you. I'm sorry. Fixed price ba yung 100 enrollment? Yes, fixed yun. Mababago yan later every month. Every month, bro, is 99. Every month, 99. Mayroon ba dito nakarinig na kay XM? One of the biggest companies si XM. May office ba si XM sa Pilipinas? I think wala. Most of the, kasi ay mga ang office nila sa ibang bansa. But if that's your requirement para ma-convince ka, I'm not going to convince you. Kasi I understand that this is not for everyone. Ito lang yung sa mga gusto talaga. Yung gusto talaga mabayaran yung utang nila. Yung desperate talaga na gustong kumita ng 2,000 USD in 1 week or in 1 day. Yun lang sa mga taong believer at naniniwala that opportunity nowadays is nasa digital na. Okay. Now, if you don't believe in this one, feel free. This is not for everyone. Halimbawa, may magtanong, kanino pwedeng magtanong? Sa GC. You can ask sa GC. Sa mga Facebook namin, you can ask. Tatanungin ko, may office ba si Bitcoin? Saan ka nakahanap ng office kay Bitcoin? May kumikita ba ng milyon-milyon kang Bitcoin? Yes. Because this is not for doubters. This business is not for doubters. And also guys, take note, yung mga scammers before, may office din sila. Yung Kappa, may office sila. May SEC pa. So it doesn't mean hindi na yung basihan. Yung basihan dito is aralin mo, maglagay ka na ng konti. If you think that this is good for you, then continue. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mong ibigay lahat ng pera mo kahit marami ka pang pera. May minimum ba sa AI withdrawal? Wala. I think sa mga broker meron, pero it's just, I think, $10 USD. 10 USD yung minimum. Okay. Sa AI trading, you can withdraw anytime, walang lock-in, walang lock-out. Okay. Anytime. Halimbawa, mayroon kang emergency or nagkaroon ka ng second thought, pwede mong withdrawin. Okay. Yun yung AI trading natin. Okay. Yung AI trading natin guys, exclusive kay Light Finance. Sir, kung kikita ka ng 2K sa isang araw, equity niya is nasa magkano yung puhunan niya? This trade is medyo high risk siya for manual trade. High risk ito. Nakita niyo naman, nag-deposit siya ng 1,000. So, na-flip niya yung pera niya in just one day gamit yung cheat codes. But this is not for everyone. This trade is not for everyone. Medyo high risk ito. So, you need to identify kung ano yung risk appetite mo. So, are you low risk, moderate risk, or high risk? Paano mag-work yung AI? Okay. Si AI is, ano na siya, fully automated na siya. Bibigyan ka lang, ililink mo lang yung account mo doon sa AI trade natin. Nagbibigay kami ng instruction once na-enroll po kayo. Pwede ba mag-start sa trading sa halagang 1K pesos or 1K USD? Okay. Pwede bang gamitin yung AI? No, exclusive siya sa Light Finance. Exclusive siya sa Light Finance. But you can use any broker with your manual trade. All right? More questions. Okay. More results. Meron dito, nag-enroll. Kumita ng 1,200. Okay. Pwede bang gamitin AI in a broker? I already answered this one. Guys, labas nyo. Saan yung kaninang tanong ng tanong habang nagpipresent ako? Ngayon, hindi na nagtatanong. Sir, paano pa mag-install? Mabibigay kami ng instructions bro kung paano. Guide, step-by-step guide kung paano siya. Di ba? Ano pa talaga yung utak ng tao eh? Kung sa Bisaya pa, nakakalibog. Iba yung libog sa Tagalog. Sa Bisaya pa, nakakalito. Kasi this is not the time you ask questions. Okay? So, ito yung mga results sa community natin. Marami. Results after results. Marami. Si Senator Manny Pacquiao. Okay. Pwede, ito pala yung summary ng 149. AI pattern scanner, VIP signals, access to live trading, access to masterclass, basic trading, robot trading vehicles, and community. All right. How much minimum investment sa Light Finance? For AI trade, I think Light Finance only 50, may 50 USD. 50 USD. Posible ba mag-trade ng, meron 2,000 pero I don't recommend kasi, guys, ito sikreto sa trading. Actually, yung skills, madali mo matutunan dyan. Ang matagal mo matutunan dyan is tinatawag natin trading psychology, which will involve your emotion and discipline. So, that's why I don't recommend na all the time mag-demo ka. Maglagay ka, mag-fund ka. Mag-fund ka. So, yung 2,000 po, pwede naman sa ibang broker, pero recommend ko talaga na sa mga at least 100 USD. Pinaka-minimum. Kasi, doon masusukat kung paano maikakankir yung fear mo kapag pera mo na yung iti-trade. Kasi yung demo, walang fear yan. Remember, just like any other business, ang ikakankir natin dito is yung fear or yung emotional factor mo sa forex trading. Kasi pag mamamaster mo yan, papanalo ka. Kung hindi mo yan mamamaster, matatakot ka. And walang successful na takot. Walang successful na takot. So it's a high risk but high rewarding business. It's not for everyone. Pwede ka ba mag-trade na hindi mag-enroll? Pwede. But ang question ko is, sino mag-guide sa'yo? Paano mo i-analyze yung market? Ano yung gagawin mo for a start? Paano ka magsisimula? Kaya maraming nasusunugan sa forex trading kasi hindi nila inaral. Nangyari kasi, 95% of new traders fail. Sabi ng pag-aaral ng mga eksperto, and based na experience ko na rin kasi na-fail ako for my first 3 years in forex trading. 95% in forex trading fail. Kaya kailangan talaga siyang aralin. Kanino pwedeng mag-guide ng step by step? This is good question. I understand, Ashley. At least now your question makes sense. Okay. Ang gagawin mo is mag-reply ka sa taong may nagbigay ng link. Mayroon bang nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight or this afternoon? Yes. Kaya bakit kayo nakapasok may nagbigay ng link? Alright? So gagawin nyo, mag-message ka doon, I join the webinar. Tapos, ibibigay namin, if ever ako, ibibigay ko yung personal Facebook account ko na ginagamit ko. So there we can talk, and then kung kailangan kong magawa ng video call, tutorials step by step, gagawin namin para mag-guide po kayo. So that's what we do. That's what we do. That's the purpose of the community. So mag-guide ka talaga, hindi ka talaga mako-confuse. Saan ba gagawa ng app po, sir? Magbibigay kami ng, yun nga, mag-join ka sa GC. Doon magbibigay kami ng instructions. Okay. Meron siyang affiliate side and marketing side. And that's in any business naman talaga meron siyang marketing side. Ang tawag dyan is affiliate marketing. Meron din siyang IB. Normal yan sa forex trading. Siyempre yung mga baguhan hindi pa naintindihan. Pero merong affiliate yung forex trading. But it's optional. Kung ayaw mo mag-affiliate, which is I recommend sa lahat ng magtitrade ka muna. Kasi kailangan ka pa, para makapag-affiliate ka, kailangan mo rin ng maraming community, para maraming audience, para makapag-create ka ng affiliate. So focus ka muna sa trading. Affiliate is optional. Like I said, affiliate is optional. Yung 149 ba lifetime? Hindi siya lifetime. Mag-start ka 149, next month meron kang monthly kung gusto kang magpatuloy. It's optional. Na 99 monthly subscription, gusto kang mapatuloy. Pero kung naaral mo lang siyang tama, kumita ka, yung 99 dyan is kaya mo yung kitain dyan in one day. In one day. Alright? So maraming salamat guys sa mga questions ninyo. Ano pong grower gamit ko? I already answered this one earlier. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Maraming salamat sa mga nakaintindi, sa mga hindi nakaintindi, normal lang yun. Kasi kahit ako, hindi ko rin naintindihan lahat. But ito yung dahilan para mayroon tayong GC. Just reply, I joined the webinar. Kung may mga questions po kayo, at least we can follow through. Alright? God bless everyone and to God be the glory. Sa mga hindi naintindihan, normal lang yun. Mayroon GC.